Hit the freestyle, bro.
Oh.
I ain't freestyling. This shit easy. I put a carrot bean into your carrot patch. I'm a cabbage patch. You a lab rat, which means I'm cuter than your motherfucking ugly ass. It's a tragic, I dominate any one of you faggots. Put your body in a casket, I shrink you up like a maggot. Two-Face and these niggas ain't even two grace. I'm the type of nigga that would drink a cup of Two-Face. That's that Advil, that's that Theraflu. Fruit punch, Arizona with the ice cube. 2 ice cubes, y'all niggas too lame. I got your girl screaming my name like 2 Chainz.
Oh shit.
I be going in the sick and never knew a nigga like me. I'm the shit without a kidney. Y'all niggas ain't iffy. And your girl find me offending. And too many bitches, I swear to God, they apprehensive. These other niggas ain't bapping in the tuttle. And I'm the type of nigga that would hit you with the little. But I ain't talking Rachel, but I'm just talking big. And I'm like a freaking shovel. How big can you dig? You're fucking with a nigga, you ain't fucking with me neither. I'm like Peter Pan, I hit your girlfriend with that Peter. I'm the type of nigga that would do it for the ether. And if she never had the ether, I would do that Senorita. And Senorita had a girlfriend named Rebecca. Rebecca had Sandarian, and Sandarian had Tiaja. Tiaja had Asia, and Asia Deja, and Deja had Rebecca, but Rebecca met Deja, so what that mean? That's all 4 of them in my bedroom. I mean 5, I can't even count the time, dude. Like, I feel like Tiger, I'm not a liar. Put that body up in my side, I don't get no greater than one tire. I do it big until these other rappers is bionics. I go straight, I had that thing running like a Sonic. Did it so big to the 40 niggas lost. Hit your girl in the stomach, make her like Rick Ross.
Oh.